In a world that never stops moving, it's easy to feel like you're being pulled in every direction at once. Notifications buzz, deadlines loom, opinions collide. Life can feel heavy, chaotic, relentless. And yet, there's a way to walk through all of it without losing yourself. There's a path where external noise doesn't control you, where criticism, setbacks, and fear don't define your day. This is the power of Stoicism. Epictetus, one of the great Stoic philosophers, spent his life teaching that nothing outside your mind should dictate your inner calm. Everything begins here, in your own perception, in your ability to choose how you respond. So today, we're going to explore 9 Stoic principles that, when practiced, make it possible to remain unshaken, no matter what life throws at you. Number 1. Know what you can control. Life is messy. People behave unpredictably. Circumstances change on a dime. But here's the first truth. You control your mind, your choices, your actions, nothing else. When someone insults you, the harm isn't in their words, it's in how you take them. When a project fails, it's not the failure itself that breaks you, but how you let it define you. Focus only on what you can shape, and let the rest fall away like water off stone. 2. Build a firm purpose. Imagine walking through a city without a map, drifting wherever the crowd pulls you. That's life without purpose. Epictetus reminds us that difficulties reveal our character. The bigger the challenge, the greater the growth. Take time to define what matters most to you. What values do you want to embody? What kind of person do you aspire to be? Let that purpose be your compass. It anchors you when storms hit, keeping you grounded and steady. 3. Guard your mind. The world wants to pull you in 100 directions. Social media outrage, toxic people, constant comparison. It's all mental clutter. Treat your mind like a home. Only let in what adds value, what nurtures growth, what aligns with your purpose. Read, reflect, and surround yourself with ideas and people that inspire rather than drain you. Mental hygiene is a daily practice, and your resilience depends on it. 4. Practice emotional mastery. Stoicism isn't about suppressing emotions, it's about understanding them. Anger, fear, shame, disappointment, these are signals, not chains. When you feel your mind heating up, pause. Observe without reacting. Ask yourself, does this serve my values? Can I respond with wisdom rather than impulse? Every moment you choose calm over chaos, you build a muscle that cannot be broken. 5. Transform offense into growth. Offense is everywhere. Someone criticizes your work, judges your choices, misunderstands you. Your instinct may be to fight back, defend, or withdraw. But here's the Stoic secret. The power is in your perception. Consider each offense as a chance to practice patience, empathy, and perspective. Sometimes, it's less about them and more about how you show up. Strength grows when you don't react, when you rise above the pettiness of external chaos. 6. Face fear and shame head-on. Fear and shame thrive in avoidance. Epictetus teaches that it's not the events themselves, but how we interpret them that causes suffering. Break them down. Examine your fears. Often, the thing you dread most loses its grip when you analyze it logically. Shame is a lesson, not a sentence. Acknowledge it, learn from it, forgive yourself, and move forward. Vulnerability becomes strength when faced with courage. 7. Premeditate challenges. Anticipate life's obstacles. Think ahead. Visualize difficulties before they appear. Epictetus called this premeditatio malorum, the premeditation of evils. By imagining what could go wrong, you prepare your mind, reduce panic, and increase clarity. When problems arise, you meet them with calm readiness, not reactive chaos. Obstacles become opportunities when you're mentally equipped to face them. 8. Act with reason and restraint. Impulse is a trap. Delayed gratification, measured action, thoughtful speech. These are your tools. Before responding in anger or fear, pause. Before chasing every distraction, consider if it aligns with your purpose. Stoicism teaches that intention is everything. Your actions are a reflection of your internal state. Keep it disciplined, and your life gains direction, focus, and harmony. 9. Embrace acceptance and gratitude. Life is unpredictable. You cannot bend it to your will. Acceptance isn't giving up. It's facing reality without resistance, and then asking, what can I do now? Combine this with gratitude. Recognize the small wins, the people who support you, the progress you've made. Stoicism teaches that serenity grows when you stop fighting life and start working with it, appreciating what you have while striving wisely for what you seek. These 9 principles are more than ideas. They are practices. They are ways to train your mind to be resilient, calm, and unshakable. Start small. Reflect daily. Apply what resonates. Over time, the storms outside will feel less like threats and more like tests of your strength, character, and purpose. Remember, life will challenge you. People will disappoint you, and circumstances will be unpredictable. But your mind, your choices, your inner world, that is yours to master. Apply these principles consistently, and you will discover a freedom few understand. The power to remain untouched by chaos, anchored in wisdom, and guided by clarity. If you found this valuable, take a moment to reflect on your own daily habits and choices. What principle will you start applying today? And if you want more guidance on turning Stoicism into a practical lifestyle, don't forget to subscribe and keep walking this path with me. Stay grounded, stay resilient, and let Stoic wisdom guide you to a life where nothing outside can shake your peace.